Hello students, good time to all. I am Chandan Kumar Pradhan. Welcome to your YouTube channel Chandan Physics. In this video, we are going to discuss moment of inertia of a hollow sphere, or we can say it as thick shell, about its diameter. Let's begin. Let us consider a hollow sphere or we can say it as a thick shell, a thick shell. Hollow sphere is of two types, one is thick shell and another one is thin shell. The moment of inertia of spherical shell we consider previously, that is the thin shell. In that case we study about the moment of inertia of hollow sphere, that is thick shell. Of external radius r and internal radius smaller. Here we take the figure of a hollow sphere, or that is the thick shell. This portion is that of hollow sphere of thick shell. When it is thin shell, we consider almost all are empty, but this one is the thick shell of external radius capital R and internal radius, that is smaller. If rho is the density of the material of hollow sphere, then volume of hollow sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube minus r cube, that is the volume of this portion. Subtract this distance will be r cube minus r cube, that is 4/3 pi r cube. M is equal to mass of hollow sphere, that is volume into density. As density is equal to mass by volume, then mass is equal to volume into density. Volume, that is 4/3 pi r cube minus r cube into rho. This one is the mass, or rho can be written as 3m divided by 4 pi r cube minus r cube. If we consider an elementary shell of thickness dx and radius x. Then volume of the cell is four pi x square dx, that is the surface area into thickness. Then its mass will be 4 pi x square dx into rho, that is the density into the volume. We consider an elementary portion. This is the elementary portion, the dotted portion. Its thickness will be, we take that thickness is dx. That's why the volume of that of cell, that is 4 pi x square dx, and the mass will be 4 pi x square dx into rho. So its moment of inertia, about axis through center O about diameter is di is equal to 2 by 3 4 pi x square dx rho into x square, as the moment of inertia of that of ring formula we use, that is 8 by 3 rho pi x fourth dx. At equation number, take this one as equation number 1, this one as equation number 2. First we calculate the moment of inertia of that of elementary portion about that of diameter. Then by using proper limits of that of integration, we calculate the moment of inertia of that of hollow sphere, or we can say it as the thick cell, about its diameter. Now we calculate the moment of inertia of whole cell is obtained by integrating equation 2, that is integration over di from 0 to I is equal to 8 pi rho divided by 3 integration from r to r, that is small r to capital R, x to the power 4th dx, or I from 0 to I 8 pi rho by 3 x to the power 5 divided by 5 from r to r, or I is equal to 8 pi rho divided by 3 r to the power 5 minus r to the power 5. Using the value of rho, from equation 1, let it as equation 3. In equation 3 we have I is equal to 8 pi divided by 15 r to the power 5 minus r to the power 5 into putting the value of rho, that is 3m divided by 4 pi rq minus rq. Finally, I is equal to 2 by 5, solving this, m r to the power 5 minus r to the power 5 divided by r to the power q minus r to the power q. This is the final expression for moment of inertia of hollow sphere, or we can say it as the thick shell about its diameter, that is 2 by 5 into m whole into r to the power 5 minus r to the power 5 divided by r to the power q minus r to the power q. So with the help of this video lecture, we understand how we calculate moment of inertia of a hollow sphere or thick shell about its diameter. So with this useful and informative notes, let me wind up this session. Thank you.